Welcome to B&E Site Services, where we make your site cleanup effortless with our premier dumpster rental assistance. Our reliable and efficient solutions are designed to meet all your waste management needs. B&E Site Services offers a wide range of dumpster sizes, perfect for any project, big or small. Whether you're renovating your home or managing a construction site, we have the right dumpster for you. Our dumpsters are sturdy, clean, and ready to handle all waste materials. We ensure that each rental meets the highest standards of quality and cleanliness. At B&E Site Services, customer satisfaction is our top priority. We're here to make your rental experience smooth and hassle-free. Our friendly and knowledgeable staff can always help you choose a suitable dumpster. As a trusted local business, we understand the community's unique needs. You can rely on B&E Site Services for personalized and dependable service every time. We offer flexible rental periods and competitive pricing to fit any budget and schedule. Our easy online booking system makes it simple to reserve your dumpster when you need it. Ready to get started? Call us at 979-616-6858 or visit www.besiteservices.com to book your dumpster rental. B&E Site Services, your go-to solution for dumpster rentals.